Hey buddy, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. I'm doing some white nails today, which I very rarely do because I'm not that good at it. And I'm just using the Tears Beauty in Radiant White, and I'm just going to be doing this on the cuticle areas as these are going to be a kind of ombre. So I'm just going to put that on the little pinky finger to begin with, and placing in an extra bead around the cuticle area as I slightly miss some, and then we're going to feather that down. Then we come on to the ring finger, and this is going to be full on white. I do tend to use the white in smaller beads as I do struggle with it. It's not the brand, I just struggle no matter what the brand is with white, whether it be polish or acrylic. But speaking of products, if you're interested, you can actually get a 10% discount using my code Dizzy10 over at Tears Beauty. All links and codes will be down in the description box. Once done, I'm going to come in with that cuticle bead to make sure it's nice and neat and flush. And I must have missed a bit, at the end, so I'm just filling in that top end to make sure it's covered and there's no gaps of acrylic. And then we're just going to repeat that half a nail with the white acrylic on all the rest of their fingers or nails that's left, rather, should I say. And then we're going to come in and cap that whole nail that was in white. And the reason we're doing this is because we'll be using glitter shortly, and we do not want no glitter on this particular nail. And then we're going to come in with Tears Beauty glitter acrylic in Unicorn Dreams, and we're going to put this on the top edge of the nails, and we're literally going to repeat this on all of the nails just to give that nice glittery effect. And although it's coming across quite orangey yellowy on this, it is actually a bluey green glitter. Just wish the camera would actually pick it up because it's an absolute stunning glitter. Although, to be fair, I've not once found any of the glitters acrylics from Tears Beauty I don't like, because you all know I'm a massive glitter fan. As you're laying down the glitter, you really need to make sure that all areas is covered, especially around the free edge. Not so much where the white is, as you've got the white there, but you want to make sure there's acrylic on every bit of the nail and the nail tip as such. And when we've done that, we're going to come in and top coat the nails. I first of all do the full white nail because, as you'll see later on, I did actually do some flowers on here and it was rubbish, so I took them off. So then we came in again with the top coat to top coat the rest of the nails, and this is why I'm trying to stop you from seeing the atrocious mess I actually made the flowers. Did redo these flowers, which you'll see in a bit, but they still wasn't the best. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll know I'm still learning doing these kind of things. So we're making these flowers with the Tears Beauty in teal to try and match up with that glitter, but like I say, it's not coming off the camera the colours it actually is in that glitter. And as you can see, I'm really struggling with this. I've not done a 3D flower in probably about a month or so, and I really do need to practice more. I don't feel like I do enough practice for these flowers, so I don't know why I keep adding them in, but hopefully one day I'll crack it. So I'm basically putting down a tiny ball of acrylic down I'm too impatient and end up going into the acrylic way before it's ready, because you've got to wait for it to go matte, but I never do, and maybe that's where my downfall is. Although my friend Mimi did tell me once that if you put a bit of acetone, I think it was, in the monomer, this can help set it up much quicker. And you can see if these are atrocious, the other ones was even worse. I just want to do another set in the bottom corner. I feel these turned out a little bit better than any of the others, but still not the best. I'm trying to do 3 leaves, or 3 petals rather, and I did struggle. I don't feel like I'd left enough room for myself to work with, but like I say, we're all learning all the time. I've learnt from this experience. I need to slow down and wait for that acrylic to set off, and I also need to give myself enough space. And then for the centres, we're going to come in with a Tease Beauty Carnation. It's a lovely, lovely pale pink, and wait for that to set off. And then I'm going to just use my brush. I did actually use a 3D brush, by the way, just to make some little divots in the centres. But I still was not happy with this flower whatsoever, so I thought, well, let's give it a go and add some more acrylic. What's the worst can happen? It can't look any worse than this. So in a minute we'll be going back in that teal to then just give these leaves a little bit more colour and a little bit more life. And to be fair, it did kind of make them a little bit better and a little bit more 3D'd really, but come on, let's be honest, they're rubbish. And these are the finished nails, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and it wasn't too disappointing. I'd love it to get some feedback. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.